Hello everyone and welcome back to the Breakdown How-To. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install the DireWolf20 pack presented by Feed the Beast. Technically it's by DireWolf20, which is a awesome Twitch streamer. Feed the Beast is just presenting the pack, but nevertheless it's an awesome mod pack. It's for Minecraft 1.12. So how do you install it? Wait, I'm forgetting something. Before we get on into the video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content on Minecraft, tech, all that awesome stuff, teaching you how to do things in all different areas. We are a new community here. We're building it from the ground up, so you subscribing really does mean the world to us. Also, be sure to check out the breakdown.xyz/MC server to get an awesome 24-hour Minecraft server that can run any of these FTB packs for just $5 per month. We use them ourselves. It's an incredible deal. Again, that's the first link down below, the breakdown.xyz/MC server. But how do you install this mod pack? Well, we need to go to the second link down below, which will take you here, where you want to click the big red download button. Click on that, and it will download the Twitch app down here in the bottom left. We can then minimize our browser, and here it is on our desktop. Well, once it's done downloading, there it'll be on our desktop right there. If yours isn't on your desktop, simply hit the Windows key on your keyboard and R at the exact same time. That will open up the Odoron application where you just want to type in downloads, and you'll most likely find this here in your downloads folder. You can drag it to your desktop just for ease of use. Once it's there, go ahead and double click on it, and it will open up a handy dandy installer where you just click the big purple install button here. Once you click that, it'll install it and open up the Twitch app. Most likely, you'll have to sign into your Twitch account. I've done that in the past, so I don't have to, but that is most likely something you'll have to do. Once you're in here, go ahead and navigate over to the mods folder in the top right, or not mods folder, the mods tab in the top right. You'll see Minecraft here. You want to click on that, and then you want to go over to Browse FTB Modpacks. In the FTB Modpack section here, you can search right there for Dire, and there it is, DireWolf20, or FTB presents DireWolf20. Then click the purple install button right here, and it will now install the DireWolf20 mod pack. I will meet you guys once it's done. It's going to take a while. It's 131 mods, so yeah, I'll see you guys when it's done. So once it's done downloading, you can then come over here and click the play button right there, and it will open up the Minecraft launcher. You may have to log into the Minecraft launcher. If you do, just use your normal Minecraft login information that you would log into the normal plain old Minecraft launcher with, which is actually what this is. Next, you then want to come over here to the launch options tab, find the FTB presents DireWolf20, click on that, and then you want to come down here to where it says XMX 3072 and change that to XMX 4072 in order to make sure everything launches and runs correctly. Then click save. Come back over here to News, and then make sure DireWolf20 is selected down there. If it's not, click the arrow and select it, and then click Play. It'll then have to download a little more stuff, and then it will open up Minecraft with DireWolf20 installed. It's that simple, guys. As you can see here, it's going through and setting up the mod pack. This might take up to 5 minutes. It can take a very long time. And as you just saw there, it crashed, right? It looked like it was going to. It said not responding right there. Did it again. Don't worry about that. Don't freak out. Just let it run its course and it will work. When installing and initializing this many mods, Minecraft can kind of freak out a bit, and that's what it's doing. So don't let that freak you out. Just let it happen. Anyway, this mod pack is basically now installed. I'm going to launch into the game and show you that I have it installed here. But be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Again, we're building a community here, and it's just started. It's brand spanking new, guys. So join it while it's early. It really does mean the world to us. So again, like the video if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, all of that awesome stuff. I will meet you guys on the Minecraft main menu. And boom, there we go. We are now on the Minecraft main menu. We can click on the mods folder here and see all of the over 100 mods that are installed currently. Freaking insane, guys. But we can also click on single player here and create a new world and jump right on into the DireWolf20 pack presented by FTB. I'm going to let this go through its thing here, and then I'll meet you guys in a second. All of these mod pack installation videos are always a bunch of jump cuts because things take a lot of time, so I apologize for that, but I'll meet you guys once we've loaded into the world. And there you go, loaded on into the world. If you just look here, I mean, we've got everything from recurrent leaves to just, I don't know, it's just crazy. We've got a bunch of books we've spawned in with. We've got not enough items, all sorts of other awesome stuff. Have fun, guys. This is an awesome pack. Play the crap out of it, build a world, and like I said, just have some fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We make tons of awesome videos exactly like this every single day of the week. We'd love to have you a part of the team. My name is Nick. This has been the Breakdown How To, and I'm out, guys. Peace.